So welcome to this video where we start on all fours, and this exercise helps to strengthen your core muscles, very important to help support your back and the whole of your body. So we start from on all fours and tuck the toes if you're able. I know some people can't. That's okay, it's harder that way though. If you've got any wrist issues, you can go onto your fist. Tuck the toes and lift the knees off the floor. So you're trying to stay relatively low to the floor. Lots of people tend to do that. That's not working your core so much. Closer to the floor if you can. When you need to, you can drop down. So ideally you'll be able to hold that for at least 30 seconds. If yours is less than that, I strongly recommend you make this a daily practice. Your core muscles are so important, and particularly if you've got any back issues. When you've had enough, you can drop down, you can come back up again. I can rest into child's pose, bum toward the heels. So practice that over time so you can get up to 1 minute, and then you can start progressing into the more challenging planks. Thank you for watching. My name's Sandia.